Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve problem of permissions on the application of Netflix. We click on settings, or like this. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then we'll search about Netflix. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You will search about Netflix. And then we'll update your app here. So please don't forget